So in addition to the moving average technique, another approach we can take is exponential smoothing. So let's take the same data set, service calls, which is customer service calls received over the past 3 weeks, and construct the simple exponentially smoothed series where alpha is equal to 0.2. Plot the time series in the smoothed series. Use the smoothed series to forecast future events and calculate our measures of fitness. And we can even compare them with different values of alpha. So for day 1, our estimate is equal to the number of calls received. However, on day 2, we apply our values for alpha and multiply it by day 1, and then multiply the complement by the volume on day 2 for a forecast of 305.6 calls. For day 3 and all future days, we multiply the actual number of calls by alpha, in this case 0.2, and add it to the prior day's forecast multiplied by that complement of 0.8. So you can also do this in Excel if you have the data analysis tool pack add-in, and if you go to data analysis, exponential smoothing, you can add in the complement of alpha, and it will produce all of your predicted observations for you. So that's a fun feature to know about. So this chart illustrates the actual number of customer service calls day by day in blue, and then the exponentially smoothed values in green. Note how the green line doesn't reach the same extremes as the blue line, and think back to the moving average. Does this green line seem even smoother than that one? Does it seem less susceptible to the peaks and valleys in the data? Something for you to think about. So our data cover a 21-day period, but what about day 22? The estimate for day 22 emerges from the prediction for day 21 using the exponential smoothing approach. So we multiply $309, not $390, by alpha, and then the prior day by the complement for a predicted forecast of 310.56 calls. So the calculations of MSE, MAD, and MAPE are all based on an alpha of 2, but the table shows the different values for these fit statistics given different values of alpha. I think it's interesting to note how each of these measures moves. For example, MAPE and MAD are best at an alpha of about 0.05 or 0.6, while MSE tends to prefer an even higher value of alpha. So try it out and let me know how it goes. I'll catch you next time.